If x power y equal to e power x minus y, prove that dy by dx equal to log x by log xe whole square. You know what is the value of log e? Log e equal to 1. Log e equal to 1. And our properties are there. Log m plus log n equal to log m into n. Log m minus log n equal to log m by n. Log m power n equal to n log m. Now you see, it is given x power y equal to e power x minus y. Logarithms you take. Log of x power y equal to log of e power x minus y. This y will come here. Y into log x equal to this x minus y will come here into log e. But what is log e? 1. So it is x minus y. Y log x equal to. This y you bring this side. Y log x plus y equal to x. Can you take common y? It is log x plus 1 equal to x. So y is what? X by log x plus 1. Observe, till now we have not done differentiation. Only simplification we have done. Now we will do derivative. Therefore, dy by dx equal to, derivative of y is dy by dx. Here, u by v rule you have to apply. You know what is u by v rule? U by v whole dash equal to u dash v minus v dash u by v square. So that formula I will apply. U is x, v is log x plus 1. So, dy by dx equal to x derivative into 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x or log x plus 1 minus log x plus 1 derivative into x by log x plus 1 whole square. What is the derivative of x? 1 into log x plus 1. So 1 into, no need to write, log x plus 1 minus log x derivative is 1 by x plus 0, no need to write, into x by log x plus 1 whole square. Here x by x cancel. This is 1. This one will cancel. Only log x will come. Dy by dx equal to log x by, here what is there? Log x plus 1 is there. 1 you write log e whole square. Log x by log xe whole square. That much only required to prove. Okay. In this sum you see, x power y plus y power x equal to a power b. One relation given between x and y. We have to find dy by dx. Generally, you may think that power is y variable, that's why we have to take logarithms. Correct only. But we should not take logarithm at first step. Why? Because if you take log of this one, you cannot separate these two, log of this one plus log of this one formula. There is no such type of formula, log m plus n equal to log of something plus like it. So, separately we have to do that. What I will do, I will take u equal to x power y, v equal to y power x. Then this is u, this is v, u plus v equal to a power b. A power b no need to take. Why? Because a is constant, b is constant, a power b is constant. So derivative will be 0 only. That's why no need to take any other letter. Now derivative of u is du by dx. Derivative of v is dv by dx. Derivative of a power b is 0. So derivative of u plus derivative of v equal to 0 we have to write. So du by dx we have to find. Here you apply logarithms. Log u equal to log of x power y. Log u equal to, this y comes here, y into log x. Now you differentiate. Already we did know this type of sums with respect to x. Log y derivative is log u derivative is 1 by u du by dx equal to, here again UV rule you have to apply. Why? Because both x and y are variables. Y derivative into log x plus log x derivative into y. So du by dx equal to u into y derivative dy by dx into log x derivative 1 by x into y. U is what? What we have taken u? X power y into dy by dx log x plus 1 by x into y. This is the derivative of u with respect to x. Similarly, we can find derivative of v with respect to x, that is dv by dx. After finding that one, u derivative plus v derivative will make it 0. From that we will find dy by dx. Now we will find the derivative of v. What is v we have taken? Y power x. Am I correct? So log v equal to log y power x. This x will come here. Log v equal to x log y. Now differentiate. Same method. What you have done for u, same thing you have to do for v. Log v derivative is 1 by v dv by dx equal to, again UV rule, x derivative into log y plus log y derivative into x. So dv by dx equal to v into x derivative 1 log y derivative 1 by y, but this is y term, so dy by dx you have to write into x. But what is v? dv by dx equal to v is y power x into log y plus, this is x by y we can write dy by dx. Okay. Now du by dx plus dv by dx equal to 0. This step I have taken. Du by dx is x power y into dy by dx log x plus x power y into y by x. This is du by dx plus dv by dx y power x into log y plus y power x into x by y dy by dx equal to 0. We want dy by dx. We have to find dy by dx. Dy by dx in 2 steps it is occurred. So dy by dx we will take common. Remaining terms we will send. Remaining term is this term and this term we will send. Okay, first dy by dx I will take common. Dy by dx into, what is the remaining here? X power y into log x. Next dy by dx here, there you have taken common dy by dx. This is the remaining. And one more thing, here y power x is there, here y power 1 is there. So it is y power x minus 1. Y power x minus 1 into x equal to, remaining terms we will send that side. Both will be negative. This one and this one also negative. That's why minus of x power y by x power 1 is x power y minus 1 into y. This step came. This one we have to bring plus y power x into log y. I have taken minus common both of them. So dy by dx equal to that bracket by this one minus of x power y minus 1 into y y power x into log y by this one, x power y into log x plus y power x minus 1 into x. This is the dy by dx.